For the next part of the program, I would again like to call on the stage Shri Piyush Jaiswal, Vice Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society Deoghar, to introduce our guest of honor. Shri Piyush Jaiswal, sir, please.
Revered Swami Divyasudananda Ji Maharaj, Principal, R.K. Mission Vidyapeeth, all the monks, brahmacharis, teachers, staffs of R.K. Mission, my pranam to all of you, and love and blessings to all the students of Vidyapeeth. National Youth Day, also known as Swami Vivekananda Jayanti in India, is a celebration that resonates with the vigor, potential and aspirations of the country's young population. Observed on January 12th each year, this day holds special importance as it marks the birthday of one of India's most influential and revered spiritual leader, Swami Vivekananda. The occasion not only commemorates the birth of this visionary figure, but also serves as a platform to recognize the role and importance of the youth in shaping the nation's future. I feel privileged that our holy land Deoghar has been visited by Swamiji in person. To be honest, our Deoghar is known nationally and internationally due to two mandirs. One is Baba Baijnath Dham Mandir and the another is Ram Krishna Vidya Mandir. It's great honor for me to be here on the occasion of National Youth Day to introduce Mr. Nand Kumaram, one of my school friends and batchmates before you. He is son of Deoghar soil, a resident of Bilasi town, very near to Vidyapeeth. He has been an inspiring role model for Deoghar students who have been preparing for UPSC exams. We are fortunate that he is in Deoghar on this auspicious day, and he readily agreed to address the students of Vidyapeeth. He is one of the most modest person I know in my life, and hallmark to his behavior is his simplicity. He has been admiring Vidyapeeth for his glorious services to humanity in all aspects since his childhood. He needs no introduction. I just want to let you know he was gem of a student who secured All India 8th rank in India's toughest exam, UPSC, in 2008. He passed class 10 from St. Francis School, Deoghar in 1995, passed plus 2 from DAV Syamli, Ranchi in 1997. Then he completed BTech in Petroleum Engineering from IIT ISM Dhanbad. His first posting was as Assistant Collector in Jabalpur, second posting as CEO Jila Panchayat Sagar, then as Deputy Collector in Anupur and Neemach. He has served as Managing Director, Madhya Pradesh East Region Power Distribution Company Limited. He has worked as Director of World Bank, Bhopal. He has also served as Deputy Secretary to Chief Minister Secretariat, as Executive Director, State Agency for Public Services, Madhya Pradesh. He is currently serving as Deputy Director Senior at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Lavsna, Mussoorie. He is happily married to Srimati Chhabi Bhardwaj, IAS of the same 2008 batch, All India rank 11, youngest IAS of her batch. She cleared the IAS exams in her first attempt. She did her BTech in Electronics Engineering from GB Pant University, Pantnagar from Dehradun. Her first posting was as CEO, Jila Panchayat, Damo. Second posting as Commissioner, Municipal Corporation, Singrauli. Third posting as Collector, Dindori. Fourth posting as Commissioner, Municipal Corporation, Bhopal. She served as Managing Director, Madhya Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation. She is currently serving as Deputy Director Senior, Lavsna, Mussoorie, along with Nand Kumaram. She is in Deoghar along with Nand Kumaram currently. She was also supposed to visit Vidyapeeth today but could not visit due to her prior engagements. Having known Nand Kumaram for years, I know he will be the happiest person if someone tops UPSC from this esteemed institution. As I don't want to test your patience, everybody eagerly wants to listen to Mr. Nand Kumaram. I would like him to come over here and share invaluable experiences of his student life and his current administrative journey so that the student should get inspired and achieve their desired results. Thank you. Thank you.